3, 2, 1.
Well, there's a will, there's a way, kinda beautiful. And every night has a state so magical. And if there's love in this life, there's no obstacle that can't be defeated. For every tyrant to tear for the vulnerable.
Alright, hey guys, this is going to be Fire Alarm Collection of 2023. So, let's go ahead and get started. Right here we have the Silent Night Fire Alarm Control Panel. Then we have the Notifier BG10. Let's go ahead and pull it. Alright. And then we have the Notifier BG12. Then we have the Simplex T-Bar Dual Action. And then we have the Simplex Truler Remote Strobe. And then we have the Simplex 4903-9252 electronical horn. Then we have here the System Sensor i3 smoke detector, the System Sensor mask with the 12M strobe, non-ADA, System Sensor Spectral Alert Classic horn strobe, two System Sensor Spectral Alert Classic speaker strobes, one System Sensor Spectral Alert Classic ceiling mount horn strobe, the System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced P2R horn strobe, the System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced ceiling mount remote strobe, System Sensor L Series with no fire letterings. This is an L Series remote strobe, by the way. The Wheelock, 3 Wheelock AS's. Here is the red one, wall mount, and the white one wall mount, 2 wall mounts, and 1 ceiling mount. Here we have a Wheelock RSS. And then here we have the Wheelock ZRS, Wheelock Siemens ZNS. It's a Wheelock ZNS rebranded by Siemens. Then we have the Wheelock ZNS, which is broken, sadly. As you can see, the strobe is broken. Right here. Yep, now you can see the strobe is broken. The Wheelock MT with the LSM strobe. Wheelock Exceeder horn strobe. Wheelock CH90 chime strobe. Sadly, the chime is broken, but the strobe works. The Audible Signal Appliance Bell. EST Genesis remote strobe. Siemens UMMT. Siemens UMHU, Siemens UHN remote horn, Siemens UHN MCS mechanical horn strobe in white, which is rare. Gentex Commander 3 horn strobe, Gentex Commander 3 remote strobe. The alarm I regret getting, the Bootlace Spectral Alert Classic. This alarm here is ugly. Yeah, I regret getting this alarm. The First Alert carbon monoxide detector. I think First Alert, I don't know. Family Guard, I think. Yeah, Family Guard smoke detector. Or a kitty, I don't know. And here we have a kitty ionization smoke detector. This one here is kind of broken. So, yeah. But anyways, yeah. This was my fire alarm collection of 2023. But first, let's go down to my fire alarm board, and I'll show you the alarms on my board. Now on my board we have System Sensor Spectrular Classic Remote Strobe, System Sensor Spectrular Advanced P2W Horn Strobe, System Sensor Spectrular Advanced Ceiling Mount Horn Strobe, the Wheelock NS, System Sensor Spectrular Advanced P2RL Remote Strobe, the Wheelock E70 Speaker Strobe, the Firex Ionization Smoke Detector. Yep. The Firelight BG12 with the Hex single action. And the Simplex T-Bar single action, which I forgot to reset. But anyways, this is the fire alarm collection. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.